So Starling's a UK fintech bank, and we're basically trying to build a bank that really is customer obsessed and one that really helps people with their financial life. It's not something for us that's kind of a tagline on top of an existing bank. It's something that's really part of what we do, something that we all believe, and something that really propagates through the entire product. So that's kind of our high-level consumer side, and then from a business side, we really want to be the Amazon of banking. We want to build a great consumer product. We want to work with partners through our marketplace platform and our open APIs to allow other partners to offer a selection of really great fintech products to our customers through our app. And also we want to leverage our modern technology platform to offer business-to-business services. So kind of allowing other people to innovate easier using our kind of direct connections into the clearing systems and all this kind of stuff. The two more general ones, one is cloud services. It means that we can innovate much faster, and this is something that's been around in other apps and services for a little while, but kind of having secure data stored in the cloud is something that's a new concept in banking, but actually something that UK regulators are quite helpful in pushing that message. Secondly is something we've been hearing all week around open APIs. I'm sure we'll talk more about that. We at Starling really embrace this. In the EU, we have a regulation change called PSD2, which is Payment Services Directive 2, and that enforces all banks to have a certain number of APIs that they make available with the end game of improving competition. At Starling, we embrace this, and we don't feel that we're forced to do it. We think it's in the right thing for the customer, so we've already done it. We launched all of our APIs in April, and we launched with a hackathon, while all of the other banks are still in progress. Starling, we're only the current account, which means we can be very neutral. And the APIs will allow other fintechs to plug into our user experience. So we've built a marketplace in our app, and that basically allows third-party insurance providers or savings providers or mortgages or credit providers to offer those products to customers within our app in a way that's very fair and clear and transparent. So that the selection plus the kind of transparency means that those partners have to kind of compete against each other for our customers' attention, and the competition drives down price and improves the deals that customers are getting. So we really believe that our place is in the center of a financial ecosystem, and the fact that we're not competing with these providers means that we can really provide a very neutral experience. I think the most important thing is have empathy and really listen to your customers. I can't kind of emphasize enough how important it is not just to talk like you're being customer-centric. You really need to live and breathe it every day. Basically, everyone at Starling has their own stories about how they've been either mistreated by their own bank or how they haven't been given a piece of advice that they wish they had 25 years ago. And so this is really something that kind of is present throughout our whole culture. And so you really need to instill customer obsession as a culture through your entire business.